Next Generation Weather Forecaster Joe Shaka here, taking a look at the tropics. Today's video will be up on YouTube since I don't have any inside forecast tracks yet, but that's going to change this upcoming week with what is likely going to be Delta over the next few days. So we're going to be taking a look at both of these systems, Gamma and future Delta, in today's video. So here's Gamma right here, and this is going to move west and west-southwestward and outline the southern part, western part of the Yucatan over the next few days. Here's Tropical Depression 26, which will move northwest and go in between Cuba and the Yucatan. You'll see that on some of the guidance. And then these two areas here that are out in the central Atlantic are not going to be developing anytime soon. They'll probably be gone, I assume, over the next few days. But you never know. You know, this feature down here may have a shot, if, you know, maybe in about a week, but nothing this upcoming week. But main story is going to be in close to the U.S. this week. Now, here is the forecast from the National Hurricane Center with Gamma. This is going to be hanging around for much of the week, so you can see just sitting off the coast of Mexico here. It's going to be a small system, but it will be bringing impacts here to the coast of Mexico, as you see here. And again, tropical storm headlines are out for the Yucatan Peninsula going through the day on Tuesday, which will likely be extended through Wednesday, Thursday, since this is not going to be moving all that fast as we go out through the week, but again, remaining at tropical storm status, mid-grade throughout the upcoming week. So we have Gamma. Now the MJO is in phase 5, and we're going to be hanging around in phase 5 and possibly getting back into the null phase over the next few weeks. And when you're in phase 5 of the MJO, you can see, it's interesting to see, you know, there is a negative with the MJO with phase 5 in the Gulf of Mexico, but there's going to be storm development there. But what's also interesting on the other side is because we're in a suppressed phase of the MJO, these storms are not exploding in intensity. You're not getting, you know, Category 3 hurricanes in 24 hours. So it seems to be some tug and pull between the MJO and the upward motion pattern, which you'll see on the JMA. But if we go into the null phase, this MJO will not be an applicable factor, but interesting to see that the MJO is currently having a hand on how intense this can get. Now, here's the JMA, and it has an MJO forecast as well, which I did not put on today. But anyway, here's the Japanese JMA. You can see how this upper motion here on the first panel. You can see the enhanced rainfall, and then you can see the upper level pattern, see the lower height. So that's this upcoming week. And then next week, you can see, you know, there's going to be some sinking motion coming in, but you can still see the enhanced rainfall in the Gulf of Mexico, and there's the upper level pattern going through mid-October. Now, the European ensemble looks like this through day 10. Here's Gamma outlining the Yucatan Peninsula again, and then remaining week. Here comes 26 coming through the Yucatan Channel between the Yucatan and western Cuba, and then into the central Gulf, and then likely turning northeast by next weekend. It will likely be an impact for Louisiana, Alabama, Georgia, down here in Florida, as you can see, these southern states, as we get towards next weekend. But we'll worry more about impacts as we get closer. But certainly October being a little bit busy, adding, you know, 2 more Greek letters onto the alphabet. So certainly a very, very interesting situation, and we'll see how this evolves over the next few days and over the next few weeks. I see conditions remaining favorable for tropical development in the Atlantic Basin. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.